Ladies and gentlemen, this is TK17 here. And a lot of you guys saying that I need to make an announcement. And this is somber. This is sad and depressing. This announcement is sad. Okay? In August, there was a hurricane. And that hurricane was Hurricane Laura. Hurricane Laura is definitely getting around every single area you know. Outside we have rain and wind, but don't worry, it's not gonna hit our Bryant town. It's not gonna be anywhere. But I am being serious with you now. This is a short announcement I have to tell you. People out there are getting struck by the hurricane. Texas got hit by a hurricane again, once again. In 2017, Texas got hit by Hurricane Harvey. Now, Hurricane Laura has hit Texas only about weeks ago. Hurricane Laura is now gonna be the most dangerous storms you will ever experience. Just like Harvey and Irma. And all hurricanes. So, I'm asking all of you to stay calm, stay in your homes, and do not get outside. Hide. Regarding Hurricane Laura, you need some tips to survive a hurricane. Get inside, get up on a roof, pack your supplies up, and if you're in the middle of the water, the boats, everyone in a boat will come pick you up. This makes my heart break. I mean, this literally makes my heart break just seeing everyone suffer in a hurricane. Hope you guys enjoyed this announcement. If you did, make sure to comment, like, and or subscribe. It's your boy TK17. Twisms. Oh.